In this small, neat home, a husband and wife live a peaceful life together. One morning, after waking up, the wife begins organizing the household chores, while the husband brushes his teeth outside in the yard. As he looks around, his eyes stop on a jackfruit tree filled with large, ripe jackfruits. Instantly, an idea comes to his mind. He decides to pick one of the jackfruits and cook a special recipe with it. He also plans to share the meal with some helpless people in the village, hoping to spread a little happiness through food. At this moment, the jackfruit is carefully cut and prepared for the recipe. Piece by piece, they clean and process it with care. Then, the jackfruit is washed thoroughly with fresh water to ensure it is completely clean and ready for cooking. At this moment, the wife steps into their garden and carefully collects fresh vegetables and flavorful spices, preparing everything needed for the special meal. Now, they carefully chop and prepare all the vegetables and spices one by one, getting everything ready for cooking. At this moment, a pot is set over the fire and oil begins to heat gently. One after another, the spices are added, filling the air with a warm aroma. Then, the prepared jackfruit is added to the pot, slowly cooking into a delicious and flavorful curry. After the curry is fully cooked, they remove the pot from the stove and place another pot to cook rice. Then they take some flour in a large dish and prepare a soft dough. Using the dough, they begin making different traditional snacks and pita items, including vegetable rolls and other homemade treats. Now, they heat oil in a pan over the stove and carefully fry all the prepared snacks until they turn golden and crispy. With all the cooking finally complete, the husband and wife peacefully sit together and share their meal. Afterward, They gather the remaining food and offer it to helpless people nearby. The food is received with warm smiles and thankful hearts, turning their simple meal into an act of kindness.